Welcome back to Public Finance and 6. In this video, we want to look at a question from the question paper of November 2024, and we are looking at a part of question 1. So we are going to start on our question 1.3, and our question reads, complete the following sentences by writing only the missing word or words next to the question number. So we are given 1.3.1 up to 1.3.10. So for the first question, it reads that the term used for people who are excluded from paying income tax is, and the term is exemptions. So obviously, the exemptions uh, represents the state of being free from an obligation. So the obligation that is being freed here is the income tax. So we have exemption that we have on 1.3.1. So we can just represent exception. So moving on to the second part of the question, it says dash allows for it to be possible that after a raise, someone may earn less than before. So this is bracket creep. Bracket creep, whereby we are going to have a situation whereby the tax brackets are pushed up in a way that the income that is being earned can go down. So the scenario that we have, it pushes individuals into higher tax brackets. So they are pushed into higher tax brackets, and then you would see that at the end of the day, an increase in income taxes will be now higher than increase in real income. So that is the essence that we have, which we are going to have at the end of the day, having someone earning less than before. So that's a bracket creep. So moving on to the next part, whereby we have 1.3.3, it is that excise duty is not levied as dash, and this makes it easy and are levied as ad valorem. So we have ad valorem as the correct response. Correct response. So moving on to 1.3.4, it says is in the way of VAT. So obviously this is a vendor. We know that a vendor is the one that collects a tax on behalf of SARS and hands over the tax to SARS. So a vendor pays us at the correct dash coordinates and integrates activities. So we have a budget. And we have 1.3.6. This is the examination of financial records by various authorities. And we know that when we have obviously external authorities coming to examine the financial records in terms of financial statements, we have got audits that will be taking place. So we have audit 1.3.7. The capital budget supplies expenditure dash to the operating budget. So this is expenditure inputs. So moving on to 1.3.8, real property charges by the local authorities comprises dash and dash. So you're going to see that it comprises rates and taxes. So we have rates and taxes. 1.3.9, it reads, the dash budget is enforceable until the main budget comes into place. Obviously, we have the interim budget. And then 1.3.10, the dash should reflect the overall policy of the government of the day. So this is obviously also the budget. The budget should reflect the overall policy of the government of the day. So we have a budget. So this is what we got question 1.3. So moving on to 1.4, we have option which is choose the correct term from those in brackets, right? Only the answer next to the question number. So we are just going to indicate the correct term that we have in brackets. So according to the first question, it reads import or excise duty is used to stop dumping of goods. So we know that this is import duty. So we have import duty, which is directly put to stop dumping of goods. So we have also 1.4.2, which reads a VAT or GST is a sales tax levied on each successful stage of trading. And with this is a value added tax, which is VAT. So we have VAT as the correct response. So 1.4.3 personal or real. Property refers to land plus improvements. So we would see that the correct response that we have there is real property. So we have real as correct response. 1.4.5, standard expenditure items are schedule is our correct response. Then 1.4.6 are the interim or main budget allocates funds for the main budget. So we go to deductions or incentives, imply that tax generally applies to net income. So we have the correct response being deductions. So 1.4.9, provincial or local governments are not allowed to levy taxes on betting. And the correct response that we have is provincial. We've got provincial government. Then we go to 1.4.10, personal or personnel tax represent the majority of state revenue. And we know that this is personal tax. So we have personal tax as the correct response. So basically, this is what we have, guys, according to question 1 of November 2024. So let's stay tuned for more videos to come. More typical examination questions will be uploaded on the channel. So let's stay tuned. Let's subscribe. Let's share the video to all our colleagues who are doing public finance and SIX. Let's meet again in the next video.